Global warming, also known as climate change, refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, primarily the emission of greenhouse gases. The effects of global warming are far-reaching and impact various aspects of our planet. Here are some key effects. Number 1. Rising temperatures. Global warming leads to higher average temperatures worldwide, resulting in heat waves and increased frequency of extremely hot days. Number 2. Melting ice. Rising temperatures cause the melting of glaciers, ice caps, and polar ice, leading to rising sea levels. This contributes to coastal flooding, erosion, and loss of habitat for many species. Number 3. Changes in precipitation patterns. Climate change alters rainfall patterns, resulting in increased droughts in some areas and heavier rainfall and flooding in others. Number 4. Extreme weather events. Global warming intensifies the frequency and severity of extreme weather events, including hurricanes, cyclones, floods, and wildfires. Number 5. Ecosystem disruption. Climate change affects ecosystems and biodiversity, leading to shifts in species distribution, coral bleaching, and disruptions in food chains. And number 6. Health risks. The impact on human health includes increased heat, related illnesses, spread of infectious diseases, reduced air quality, and food and water insecurity. Transition to renewable energy. Shifting away from fossil fuels and promoting renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Energy efficiency. Improving energy efficiency in transportation, buildings, and industries can reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions. Forest conservation and reforestation. Protecting existing forests and planting new trees helps absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Sustainable agriculture. Encouraging sustainable farming practices that minimize greenhouse gas emissions and preserve soil health can contribute to reducing the impact of global warming. International cooperation. Governments, organizations, and individuals must collaborate on a global scale to address climate change and reduce emissions collectively. Public awareness and education. Increasing awareness about the causes and effects of global warming can drive individual and collective action towards more sustainable lifestyles. In the future, it is crucial to continue investing in research and development of clean technologies, promoting policies that prioritize sustainability, and adopting a holistic approach that considers the interconnectedness of social, economic, and environmental factors. Additionally, transitioning to a low-carbon economy, improving infrastructure resilience, and supporting vulnerable communities to adapt to changing climate conditions are essential steps towards a sustainable future. Then, how we protect our Earth from global warming. Protecting our Earth from global warming requires concerted efforts from individuals, communities, governments, and organizations. Here are some actions we can take to mitigate and address global warming. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The most critical step is to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide. 2. This can be achieved by transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower. Increasing energy efficiency in transportation, buildings, and industries. Encouraging the use of electric vehicles and public transportation. Promoting sustainable and low-carbon practices in agriculture and land use. Support policies and regulations. Governments play a crucial role in implementing policies and regulations that promote sustainable practices and reduce emissions. Supporting and advocating for policies such as carbon pricing, renewable energy incentives, and energy efficiency standards can make a significant impact. Conserve energy and resources. Reducing energy consumption in our daily lives helps lower greenhouse gas emissions. Simple actions such as turning off lights when not in use, using energy Efficient appliances and reducing water consumption can contribute to energy conservation. Promote sustainable transportation. Opting for public transportation, carpooling, biking, or walking, and reduce carbon emissions from transportation. Also, considering fuel. Efficient vehicles or electric cars can significantly lower greenhouse gas emissions. Embrace energy, efficient practices. Insulating homes, using energy, efficient light bulbs, and choosing energy. Efficient appliances can help reduce energy consumption and emissions. Plant trees and conserve forests. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and help mitigate global warming. Supporting reforestation efforts, participating in tree planting initiatives, and preserving existing forests can contribute to carbon sequestration. Raise awareness and education. Educating others about the causes and consequences of global warming fosters a sense of responsibility and encourages sustainable practices. Sharing information about climate change and its solutions through discussions, educational programs, and social media can help drive collective action. Support sustainable businesses and initiatives. Choosing products and services from companies that prioritize sustainability and environmental responsibility can create market demand for eco-friendly practices. Supporting renewable energy projects and investing in green technologies also accelerates the transition to a low-carbon economy. Advocate for climate action. Engaging in advocacy efforts, participating in climate strikes, and voicing concerns to policymakers can influence climate policies and spur action on a larger scale. Remember, individual actions alone may not be sufficient to address global warming comprehensively. It requires collective efforts, systemic changes, and international cooperation to tackle this global challenge effectively.